Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how you can set up your mobile hotspot on your Windows 11 PC. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So in order to set up your mobile hotspot, all you have to do is go to your settings, for which you can click on this Windows icon that you can see right here, and then click on settings. If you can't find it, you can click on this search bar and start searching for your settings. And after you have opened your settings, here you can see there is the option of network and internet in the left side right here. Click on it. And then here you can see there's the option of mobile hotspot. So in order to turn on your mobile hotspot, you have to make sure that you are connected to a internet. So currently here you can see your Wi-Fi is turned off, and when you try to open your mobile hotspot, it won't allow. So simply just turn on your Wi-Fi and connect to an internet. After you have successfully connected to an internet, you will now be able to turn on your mobile hotspot. You can simply just click on this toggle button like this, and here you can see your mobile hotspot has been turned on. In order to set it up, you can simply just click on this angle arrow right here, and then here you can see we are now on the settings of your mobile hotspot, and in here you can see the properties of your mobile hotspot, and this is the QR code of your hotspot, this is the name, and this is the password of your mobile hotspot. If you want to edit those, you can simply just click on this option edit right here, and then simply edit your hotspot name or your password. And just like this, if you're done with it, you can click on save. And like this, you can edit your name or password of your hotspot. And in here, you can also see the option of share over. When you click on it, here you can see if you want to share with your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, there is the option. Here you can see the power saving option too. Currently, you can see it is turned on. So if no other mobile hotspot is connected to my PC, this hotspot will automatically turn it off. If you want to simply not turn on this mode, you can simply click on this toggle button, and now even if your hotspot is not connected with another mobile hotspot, your hotspot won't be turned off. And like this, you can enable your mobile hotspot on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.